I made this guitar inspired by my boots for Carolina, and I'm going to show you how I did it in this video. But the best part is I get to give this away, so one of you is going to get a chance to win it. So stick around to the end to find out how. And I have some exciting news about my Sway Carolina non-leather boots. I'm going to tell you about that at the end too, but I'm going to make you watch the video first. I'm proud of it, so check it out. I am so excited to be giving this guitar away. Thank you very much, Carolina, for giving me this opportunity. I love giving stuff away. All you have to do to be eligible to win this guitar is leave a comment below on the YouTube page and share this video somewhere on social media with the hashtag SwayCarolina. In a month from the release date of this video, I will pick a winner at random from all the people who did that, and this guitar could be yours. That's all there is to it. So I'm super excited about that, and thank you very much for playing along. And the other thing I have to tell you about is the Sway Carolina campaign has been, as far as I'm concerned, a huge success. Thank you so much, everybody who used that hashtag to let Carolina Boots know that you would be interested in a non-leather version of their work boots, like the ones I'm wearing right now, and like the ones I made this guitar out of. They are going to do a Kickstarter campaign where you can pre-order these boots. If enough people pre-order, they will manufacture the boots right here in the United States of America, the first ever non-leather Carolina work boots made in the USA. How awesome is that? So I do not have the information just yet. I'm going to do a follow-up quick video to tell you about that, and I will also share it everywhere on social media to let you know when the Kickstarter page is up, and that is all happening. It should be very soon. Rock on. There's going to be some other stuff that will be incentives on the page as well besides the boots. So I'm so excited about that. And thank you all very much for playing along with me and sharing the love and the interest in this endeavor. The other thing I want to tell you is if you can't wait that long and you need a new pair of boots right now, you can use the code TIMSWAY10 at carolinashoe.com to get 10% off a purchase of whatever boots and shoes or whatever that they have there right now. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to be entered to win this guitar, all you have to do is share this video somewhere on social media with the hashtag SwayCarolina and leave a comment below. Be good.